Hi friends, welcome to the another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. And the first organization of this video is Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for associate software engineer, and the educational qualification for this job role is BE BTech, all streams or batches. This is an off-campus drive of job, and the candidates should have certification, academic project experience, or internship or work experience in the following technologies as ASP.NET, SAP ABAP, SFDC, and some of the details about the job requirements, overview, and about the Accenture. All are given here in this website. So if you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you have to log in to apply. Before, you have to log in to eLitmus, or if you don't have account, you have to create an eLitmus account, and then you can log in with your credentials and apply for this job role. And the next organization is TestPress. So TestPress is hiring for software developer Chennai, and the annual CTC is 5 lakhs per annum, and the job requires you to have taken the PH test. So the eligibility is 2019-2020 batch BE BTech CSIT electronics related branches can apply for this job role, and the job description, desired skills and experience are also given here in this website. So if you are interested, you can simply click on login to apply button, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Expeditia. So Expeditia is hiring for associate software development engineer. Here we can find about Expeditia and what you will do, who you are, and some of the details, and about Expedia group is also given here in this website. So if you are interested and eligible, and the educational qualification for this job role is BE BTech, ME MTech, BSc or MSc graduates can apply for this job role. So if you are eligible and interested to apply for this job role, you can apply with two different options. First of all, you can apply through my workday jobs profile. For that, you have to click on this button, or you can apply through Seek. So for that, you have to click on this button. And the next organization is Cylinder India Private Limited. So they are hiring for diploma engineer trainee 2020 passed out only, and the location is Bengaluru. Time and venue is also given here in this website. So here you can find all the details, and the education is diploma in electrical, electronics, telecommunication can apply for this job role. So if you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on I am interested button, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Baker Hughes. So they are hiring for University Internships India Summer Opportunities 2021. So here you will find all the details about this internship, Baker Hughes organization, and what your work will be. All the details you can find here, and the educational qualification for this job role is BE BTech can apply for this internship. So if you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button, and it will take you to the further process. So the next organization is CME Group. So they are hiring for India intern. So this is an internship job role. Here you can find a description of the internship, and some of the details is also given here in this website, and the software requirements are also given here in this website. So the duration of this internship is 5 months duration. So if you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button, and it will take you to the further process. Before applying, you have to know the educational qualification, that is BE BTech, ME MTech graduates can apply for this internship. And the next organization is Cohesti. So they are hiring for new college graduates systems engineering at Cohesti, and the job duties requirements is given here in this website. Good to have coding, analytical, file system, operating systems, data structures and related algorithms is a plus for this job role. And the educational qualification is BE BTech, MTech in computer engineering or computer science or engineering can apply for this job role. If you are interested, you can click on this button, and it will take you to the LinkedIn website, so that you can apply from there, or you can fill out this form, and so you can submit application for this job role. And the next organization is Amdocs. So Amdocs is hiring for software engineering associate graduate Pune, and the primary skill, secondary skill, other skills are also given here in this website. And some of the details about who are we, and what will your job look like, all are given here in this website. All you need is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA graduates can apply for this job role. Stream ENTC, CSE, IT, NC only. Throughout 60% with no year down can apply for this job role. Why you will love this job is also given here in this website, and some of the details is also given here in this website. If you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply now button, and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Interpret. So they are hiring for software engineering intern, and some of the details about this job role, what you would be doing, what you bring, what you get. So all the details are given here in this website. So if you are interested and eligible to apply for this job role, before applying you have to know the educational qualification, that is BE, BTech can apply for this job role. So you can simply fill out this form which is given below. You can find by scrolling down in this website, and you can simply click on submit application button, and it will take you to the further process of application. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video, friends. Keep learning.